Most videos on YouTube talk about raising capital so you can go and buy real estate deals. That's not what this video is about. This video is for people who want to become private, hard money lenders, people who want their money working, earning predictable returns without managing tenants, rehabs, or properties. Because here's the part that no one explains clearly. If you want to be a private money lender, you still need to raise capital. Duh. You just raise it very differently. In this video, I'm going to break down how raising capital for private money lending actually works, why copying deal-based capital raising structures will hurt you and not help you, and the exact same framework we've used at Vertical Capital since 2021. Before we go any further, let me give you some context. At Vertical Capital, we've been doing private hard money lending since 2021. No hype, real loans, real borrowers, and real capital. We lend to real estate investors who want to fix and flip, who want to do new construction, who need a short-term bridge loan to acquire property. They also may need short-term refinancing because they're in a really tough situation. Over the years, we've raised capital from everyday people, not institutions, not white labeling. And at one point, we raised $500,000 with just 3 capital calls. Now, let me be very clear about something. This does not happen because we have a massive audience, we have a bunch of rich family and friends, or we were very pushy in our sales calls. It happened because we followed a repeatable framework. The same framework I'm about to walk you through. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to raise capital as a private money lender and not a fix and flipper, why structure matters more than charisma, and how to avoid the mistakes most people make when trying this. If you stay with me, this will save you years of trial and error. And if you stick with me to the end of the video, I've got a free gift for you, just for you. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Understand what you're raising capital for. This is where most people go wrong. They watch videos about raising capital for deals and try to apply the same thinking to private money lending. But these are two different conversations. When a real estate investor raises money for a deal, they're simply saying, trust me with this project. Trust my fancy rehab process, trust my timeline, and trust my execution. When a private money lender raises capital, we're saying something very different. What we are saying is, here's how your money will be deployed. Here's how it's protected, and here's how it comes back to you. You're not selling a property, you're not selling a renovation, and you're not selling future upside. You're offering fixed returns, asset-backed investments, a defined process for capital protection. Because let's face it, there are lots of investments that pose a much higher risk. You're offering a 100% passive path to making money. This distinction matters because it changes your messaging. It changes your confidence and the type of people who are going to say yes. Inside our Pro Premium School community, this is one of the first mindset shifts we teach. You're positioning yourself as the bank, not a partner to a producer or fix and flipper. Why most people fail at raising capital for lending? Here's the mistake I see constantly. People jump straight to, here's the return. Now, side note, guys, I'll tell you straight up, when you are talking to high net worth individuals and people who are used to investing, your 8 to 12% return is not going to make them jump. Trust me. Most people lead with the numbers before they lead with clarity. But people don't invest because they're excited about the numbers. They invest because you have a clear, defined process on how they make money and how they will get their money back. That's all that matters. When someone asks about private money lending, they're really asking, where does my money go? What happens if something goes wrong? How is this different from investing in deals? If you can't answer these clearly, the conversation dies pretty quickly, even if the returns look really good. At Vertical Capital, we learned early on that capital raising only works when capital protection is explained first. Structure is clear, the risk is addressed and acknowledged upfront, and being transparent always wins. This is why we don't just teach how to raise capital, we teach capital protection as well. Because if you don't protect the capital, you won't have a business for long. You won't be able to use that same money again. We are trying to create lifelong capital partnerships, not one-off relationships. Why the pitch deck changes everything. Most people try to explain private money lending at networking events, over a cup of coffee, and even on the phone. And every explanation sounds different. That inconsistency kills your confidence. That's why we use a pitch deck, not to convince people, but to create clarity and consistency. Our pitch deck explains what private money lending is, how capital is deployed, how risk is managed, what returns look like, what the process is, and here's the key point. If someone understands the opportunity clearly, they don't need to be sold. They self-select. If you do this correctly, and I mean if you do this right, you should hear, so what's the next steps? You'll hear me mention this again, but the pitch deck removes friction almost immediately. Why raising capital for lending is easier than deals. This is something the other videos don't explain well. Raising capital for private lending is often easier than raising capital for a deal. Here's why. Deals have a lot of moving parts. Deals have a lot more people involved who indirectly run the show. You got city permitting, you have contractors, you have the availability of materials. Even the weather can control the rehab process. If it's too cold, it's too much rain, and people don't work as quickly or as fast as they can, and it potentially, I don't want to say potentially, it actually slows down the project and its progress to the finish line. When you're lending, you don't have any indirect controls. Well, let me just say minor indirect controls. You don't have to worry about them at all. In fact, that's the borrower's problem. Deal investors worry about rehab risk, timelines, market swings. Private lenders care about collateral, loan to value, a defined returns. When you present private lending correctly, you're speaking like the bank. This is a big focus inside our school community, helping people understand why this works. Start with the people that you know, not strangers. Another misconception is, I need wealthy investors. No, you don't. You need people who know you. Most private lending capital comes from people with idle cash, people frustrated with banks, people nearing retirement, and people looking for a predictable income. Not hedge funds, not institutions, but the way you communicate matters. Inside our pro premium school community, we teach you how to explain private money lending in its simple form, how to answer objections clearly, how to stay compliant and ethical. We're not trying to convince people of anything. It's about education. So we put the information out there and let you run with it. Building a repeatable system, that's key. Raising capital once is luck. Raising capital consistently is a system. In our community, members learn capital raising frameworks, how to protect capital, how to conservatively analyze the deal, how to structure the loan. Everything is based on experience from loans we've actually done. If you're watching this thinking, I don't want to flip houses, me either. I don't want any tenants, me either. I want my money working. Yep, that's me every day, all day. You're exactly who this is for. Since you made it to the end of the video, I want to give you a free gift. Join our free community and DM me directly. Pitch Deck. And if you want the full system, from raising capital to protecting capital to lending it correctly and making money while you do this, then join our Vertical Capital Pro Premium School community. I'm Anitra Preston, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.